Ben?
Hey Ben,
Yes.
Elspeth this time.
Yes.
I was going to ask what your opinion on harsh noise music was.
Uh.
You don't like harsh noise?
Yes.
Okay, because I was curious.
No.
Okay, if you would let me finish, please. I was curious if you could play harsh noise at the end of this call.
No.
Do you like Masonna?
Yes.
Do you like Kajimoto Endo?
Yes. Yes.
Because it's about to sound